Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I live here in Los Angeles, California. Auditioning for the role of the guy riding his bike who gets pelted by lemons and ultimately crashes. I can definitely say I'm ready to ride a bike and crash after getting hit by lemons. I've ridden a bike pretty much my entire life. I used to mountain bike race back in the day and know what it's like to fall at high speeds in various situations. Been working with stunt coordinators on several shoots where I've done fight sequences, I've taken things over the back, had stuff crashed on me, fallen on things. There's a clip I'll share where I'm riding an ostrich and I managed to fall off that a few times, jumped off cliffs, you name it. I also happen to like lemons. In fact, I happen to have a few with me here today, and I'm not afraid to take a few just so you guys can see. No, it's all good. Oh, and here's what I look like with a bike helmet on.